When adjusting a web page to adapt to a smaller screen, most of the page contents will stay the same. Our main job is to adjust how they're being displayed. In our previous lessons, we've learned that style has been completely separated from the contents. HTML is in charge of displaying contents and forming a page skeleton. The decorating job has been transferred to CSS. Therefore, the essence of responsive web page is applying different CSS to the same HTML code based on a different browser size. The challenge we have is how to detect a browser size. The solution is Media Query. But before learning anything about Media Query, we should first learn a new meta tag, the Viewport meta. This is how you set it. You set the name attribute to Viewport. Inside the content attribute, we set width to device, width, and initial scale to 1.0. This is the standard Viewport meta. Every program you work on should have it. So what does Viewport mean, and why do we set width equals to device width? Well, Viewport means the window area of your browser. Device width means the width of your device. This size is fixed. Width means the width of the viewport. This size is changeable. Setting width equals to device width means the default width of the viewport will be as wide as the device screen. You can think of this setting as telling the system to maximize the browser window. In the following lessons, make sure you don't mix viewport width and device width. As for initial scale equals to 1.0, this is to tell the browser not to display everything at their original size. If you want, you can also add another value to the content attribute. User scalable equals to no. This means mobile users can't zoom in or out on our web page by tapping the device screen. Another two commonly seen values are maximum scale and minimum scale. Usually we set both their values to 1.0. This means the page cannot be scaled up or down.